Hello my dear students, today we are going to take chapter 2, lesson 13, the 100,000, okay? In our first lesson, in our first slide, the teacher says if you whisper 10, you are correct. It takes 10,000 to make 10,000. Can you remember that the 1,000 equal 10 hundredths, okay? Or 100 tens, or 1,000 ones? 1,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, remember that 1,000 is the smallest 4-digit number. And 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number. 9,999 is the greatest 4-digit number, okay? How many thousand do you think it takes to make 10,000? It takes 10,000 to make 10,000, okay? In the next slide, we have a number. The first number is 3, it's read as 3. The second is 53, it's read as 53. In the third, it's 253, okay? The fourth is 4,253. Now we have another number. How can we read it? We are going to read the 1,000 family together. It will be 24,000, then 253. We are going to read the two digits in the 1,000 family together. 24,253. Now we have another number. It consists of 6 digits, okay? Here in the 1,000 family we have 124. So we are going to read 124,253. 124,253. Now in the next slide we have another number consists of 6 digits. When we have really big number like this, we write a comma in between the 1,000 and the hundreds. We are going to count from the ones, 1, 2, 3, and put comma. We are going to count from the ones, 1, 2, 3, then put comma, okay? This is a clue for us to pause. So this number is read as 421,147. Okay, again, 421,147. Now, 100,000 is the smallest 6-digit number. 100,000 is the smallest 6-digit number. And 999,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. Now, the next slide, we are going to play a new game called the place value game. Here we have some boxes like we have done before in the 1,000 lesson, okay? We are going to have 10 cards for the numbers from 1 to 10, okay? To play the game, you will turn over a card and choose where to put the digit, okay? You will decide if it should go in the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 or 100,000 box. If you don't want to use the number, you can put it in the discard box. The goal of the game today is to make the smallest number possible, okay? We are going to make the smallest number possible. Now we have the boxes in round 1. We are going to put 7 in the ones, 0 in the tens, 8 in the hundreds, 2 in the 1,000, 5 in the 10,000, 9 in the 100,000. And we are not going to use 3, so put it in the discard box. Now we have made 952,807. Round 2, we are going to put 1 in the 100,000, 0 in the 10,000, 2 in the 1,000, 3 under the hundreds, 4 under the tens, 5 under the ones. And we are not going to use 8, so put it in the discard box. So the number is 102,345. Now in the next page, we have round 3. We are going to put 3 in the 100,000, 4 in the 10,000, 1 in the 1,000, 0 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, 5 in the ones, and we are not going to use 7, so put it in the discard box, okay? Now we have made 341,025. Round 4, we have 2 in the 100,000, 0 in the 10,000, 1 in the 1,000, 4 in the hundreds, 3 in the tens, 7 in the ones, and 6 in the discard box. Okay, we have 201,437. Can you guess what is the winner is? The winner is 102,345. It is the smallest number. Okay, in the next slide, reflect on your learning. What strategies do you use to compare really big numbers? Write about them below. Today, you used both logic and strategy to play the place value game. To form the smallest 6 different digit number, we should put the smallest digit in the greatest place value. Okay, the smallest 6 different digit number is 102,345. Thank you for listening and see you next time.